There are 5 stages to a divorce. The first stage is the divorce. Then you have child support, you have child custody, you have spousal support, and you have matrimonial property. With divorce, there are 3 grounds for divorce. Number 1 is if the parties are living 1 year separate and apart. Number 2 is if one of the parties has committed adultery. And number 3 is if one or either of the parties have committed mental and physical cruelty. With respect to child custody means if there's children of the marriage, what access do you do? What's the access regime? Where do the kids stay? Do they stay with mom? Do they stay with dad? This is something that needs to be fulfilled or described in a court order, and that's something a lawyer can help you with. Child support is something that's strictly mathematical. Child support is based on the federal child support guidelines. It's very mathematical. It's based on income. How much income does one party make and how much income does the other party make? There's also something called Section 7 expenses. Section 7 expenses are things like extracurricular activities, medical expenses, and other expenses above what is a daily expense of the child. That is calculated based on percentages of how much income one party has over the other. That is something, again, a lawyer can help you with. Part 4 is spousal support. Spousal support is one of the most contentious areas of a divorce, and there's another guideline as well too. It's the spousal support guidelines, and we can punch in numbers through a computer program and figure out the low, mid, and high level of spousal support. However, there's many things that you need to look into. You need to look into how can one party become self-sufficient, and also other things such as economic disadvantages or advantages by the breakdown of a marriage. Again, this is something a lawyer can better assist you with when you are dealing with your divorce. Part 5 is matrimonial property. The obvious thing is the matrimonial home. That's the home that the couple were living in, but it's also things like bank accounts, assets and liabilities, vehicles, and sometimes there's things that you don't even think about, like air miles and points. These are other things that a lawyer can help you, assist you with in drafting things such as a separation agreement, or if need be, a contested court application. Those are the grounds to divorce. Number 1 thing to keep in mind is to get divorced in Alberta, you need to be an ordinary resident of Alberta for 1 year.